If your job is writing grants, this video will show you the tools and technology to double the speed on how you write a grant more accurately using Notion, ChatGPT, and AI plagiarism checkers. So let's get started. This is an article that I'm going to link in the description below where you can find 85 ChatGPT prompts for grant writing, because that's going to be the first tool is using ChatGPT. You could get away with the pro version or with the free version, but I'll tell you why you want the pro version in a moment. So these are prompts to help you out with the different stages of writing your grant. You have how do I ensure clarity in my grant proposal for this topic? We could do it for the grant writing process. Help me brainstorm ideas for a project proposal on this topic. There's a bunch of them here. This is for the writing process. Help me formulate a research question around this topic for a grant proposal. And keep going. More for writing, more for submission. Help me draft a cover letter for this grant proposal on this topic, even for the follow-up stage. Help me draft a thank you note to the grant committee. Keep going. And there's so many prompts here, which is great. What are the best practices for crafting prompts for ChatGPT? This is for some extra ones too. What are the limitations of using ChatGPT in grant writing? So these are prompts that you go through just to get your idea, get your brain started on thinking of how you can use ChatGPT to help you refine wherever you are in the stage of the process. But that's just half of it. To take it a step farther, you want to pay for the pro version just so you can build your own custom ChatGPT. The reason why is you can build a custom chatbot, give it a name, give it a description, give it instructions so it's tailored specifically to the proposal that you're trying to write. But here is the game-changing thing. This little button right here that says knowledge, where you can upload as many PDF files as you want so that ChatGPT will now have what's called local knowledge around your specific grant. So then once it knows all the PDFs and knows all the files, you can start chatting with it to help you as an assistant write your grant faster. So that's using ChatGPT and ChatGPT Pro. The next stage is there's a lot of information and tracking it in different stages. That's why I highly recommend a digital notebook and building one in Notion. So it's going to help you in one quick dashboard, because again, the name of the game is not to keep it stored in your brain. If you try and keep all the information stored in your brain, it's impossible. There's too much. So here you can see we have 3 projects at different stages for the different funding. We could track all the different types of investors and across the different stages of research, contacted, pitch, diligence. So it helps you increase the amount of grants that you could write effectively. And then in each of these are all the files, the PDFs, the notes, all saved in one app, not scattered across many different places, so that you stay centralized with your knowledge management. And then you can see here quickly at a glance all the activities that you have to do, call, emails, what you have to do, with who, from what investors. And this is a template that you could get on Notion. Now, once you have Notion storing all the information, ChatGPT, and building a custom ChatGPT that knows all the files, and then using those prompts to help you refine it. You don't want ChatGPT to write the whole prompt at like trying to get out. You want to think of it like a college intern, give it micro tasks, small amounts of information, refine it, and then popping that into your digital notebook and then building your grant out. Then when you're ready to have it reviewed so it's not plagiarized, these are a couple tools that you could use to pop the information in so that it could rewrite it so it's not AI plagiarism, basically. So we have Word AI, that's one. Grammarly is another one. Jasper, great. And I'll put the links to all of these in the description so you could try them out. Try them out, test them out, play with different ones so at least you find the right tool and build your workflow so that you can effectively double the time that it takes you to write a grant. And then lastly is copy leaks. So that should get you started to help you write grants faster. I'm Jonathan Acuna with my company Simple Tech Skills, where we teach you how to use these tools effectively so that you can work smarter, not harder. I hope you have a blessed day. Goodbye.